You remember that one guy? Was it RC?
Yeah, what
the
a
big guy?
Yeah.
Like he was like a real person that didn't believe in any oil changes. And I heard like a story. This is after he passed away. It's like at the funeral.
What? After the funeral you heard this?
Yeah. So someone was talking about it, and they're like,
Yeah. How old
like-
was he when he died? When he passed away?
"It was a few years ago." He's like the same age as me. So he was like,
No, but when he passed away, he died like he was like in his 30s?
like 35.
35? But what happened?
Well, he never changed the oil in the truck. That's what he had.
Oh yeah, he had that Toyota, right?
He got a truck.
Yeah.
They opened it, and like dust came out.
Of the engine?
Yeah.
But what, the engine was still running? Didn't blow up, or didn't freaking
Well, that's not
blow the
good.
head gasket or anything, or?
Eventually, the engine died.
Okay. Yeah.
But yeah, oil's supposed to come out, not dust. So yeah, it's.
But he was like all worried about conspiracy stuff too, wasn't he? Like the whole government was after him or something?
No, I don't think so.
No?
I don't remember conversations with him like that.
No? Oh, okay.
He. I think later on he became like what was it? He's kind of like what Wallace does.
Physical therapist?
Physical therapist.
Oh, he was?
But then I think he didn't do it like to that extent because he didn't have a
Didn't get his
degree.
Uh-huh.
So he was he was a realtor too.
He's a realtor also?
Yeah.
Really?
And he owned like a property or something or two properties
He was renting out?
that he was renting out.
Uh-huh.
That's what I remember.
And
But
then,
he's doing a lot of oddball stuff. Like I remember
is it too many stuff, do you think?
he was working for the gas company, I think, at one point.
Mm-hmm.
And then he stopped by here at my house.
Okay.
And then he's like, oh, like, because he was still driving the truck at that time.
Right?
And he had sliding glass in the back.
Uh-huh.
And he's like, oh, the latch broke.
Can you fix it?
Yeah. And then I said, oh, you're lucky I still have the stuff from my brother's truck.
Right.
And his was newer, but my brother's truck was older, but they didn't change the latch.
Yeah.
So I put the latch on so he could close it.
Ah, okay.
But at that time, yeah, I think he's working for the gas company.
He's working for a gas company at the time?
Yeah, he was like the meter reader.
Really?
Yeah,
Meter guy, huh?
he was the meter guy.
Did you ever, he got his book published? Back then? Remember he was writing that book?
People told me he wrote a book.
And no one actually saw the book?
I've never seen it or
Oh,
heard it.
really?
Oh, shoot. See, that's the thing. He's kind of like this urban legend, where
Am I gonna be an urban legend put on?
where like people say he did certain things, and then you're like,
Yeah.
do you
Never
believe it?
happened?
I don't know. Like no one could confirm or deny what he did, so I don't really know. I can't tell you for sure.
Am I an urban legend? Would I be an urban legend then? If I died tomorrow and no one knew all my stories, my life story?
Possible, yeah.
That's why I gotta get these sweaters printed. I gotta get that book published eventually. It's gonna be years, I think. I guess I gotta get it done though, huh? That's the key thing, right? People always talk about it, they say they're gonna do it, but they never actually complete, right? But at least I got the sweaters done. I got these done. I finally
You made a
I've been
sweater?
talking about printing these, and then I finally got it done. Yeah. See, it says Genesis 11:1.
Okay.
Whole world, one language. Jesus
Oh.
Christ. Like I've been putting it off for like months. I'm like, the design,
Did
blah blah blah.
you-
Should I hire somebody? Should I not? What could
Did
I
you
do?
get the iron on and then got a sweater and put it
No,
on?
I did it online. I put it all online, and then a company.
Prints it
for me.
out?
Yeah.
How many do you have to order?
There's no minimum.
There's no minimum.
Yeah, free shipping.
So if you make one, then
That's it. Yeah.
that's
But
it.
I made
it's
like
a
10.
one-off.
I made like 10 with different colors and stuff. Yeah.
Oh. So you made 10 sweaters?
Yeah. $20. It's not bad. $20. You can print your own. You can buy one at the store. It's $40, and it's not even your brand. You know.
But you
This
need
is my own
different.
brand.
You need different sizes because people are different shapes.
Yeah, they have all kinds of. They have all different sizes. I'll show you.
No, I know, but you buy 10. How do you know? Oh, I should buy 10 mediums or 10 large.
Oh, but once. So once you have your store live,
Okay.
then people can choose
What size
what
they
size
want.
they want, and then they get shipped to that.
But the samples you got, what size did you get?
Sample, I got all kinds: medium, extra large, large.
Okay. Ah,
different
see, you're
colors.
smart.
So people can try them on, and they feel they're like, oh, okay, you know.
Yeah, because I was like, oh, did you buy all small?
Yeah. No, this is medium right here.
Oh.
But maybe later on you can try one on, and I can take a picture of you so that
Oh gosh.
you can see which one you like.
What are they, Hanes?
Gideon's.
Fruit of the Loom?
Gideon's.
Gideon's?
Yeah, so it has the soft fabric inside. This is one of the higher brand ones.
Oh.
Yeah. Cause dude, I was trying to go to a local place.
Uh-huh.
They wanted 20. I think it was like 22. That was almost the same. $23 each.
Okay, but
But-
no pattern?
No pattern. No. But it has to be the same color, one color,
Okay.
same font, and it was minimum of 12 orders. So
Oh.
this company, I can choose all different colors. You know, I did all.
Did you
different
go to
colors on the back.
Chinatown?
No, I didn't go to Chinatown. You know, my buddy's gonna probably take me to Chinatown on Monday and show me some other places, but
China, that's all they do in China.
it's even cheaper out there.
Well, that's where all this stuff comes from.
But you know, I needed to kind of mess around with it online, see which designs I like and don't like. So, and I just figured I just need to start somewhere, you know.
Well, if it's a brand, you can trademark it.
I gotta trademark it eventually, right?
Yeah, because then I'll look at it. I say, hey, it looks good. I'll copy it.
And just
And then like, hey, he's got the same one.
even before I start selling it though,
Huh?
even before like it goes off. What if like I sell like 10 of them, like
Oh, well,
you know?
well,
What I mean?
it's an experiment at that point.
The trademark it's still like it's like $500-600, dude. But it's still worth trademarking.
Well, because if it takes off, then somebody says, hey, I can make the same one. And then you're like, I didn't make that one. And then it's on Amazon. And then like,
So you're screwed.
then you're screwed.
But all they can do is like they can do the same thing and then just put different color and then say, oh, it's my brand, right? They just do it like a green one and then it's
Yeah, that's what happens though. Like a lot of people make something and they put
Right.
it out on Amazon,
right.
and then like someone in China goes, oh, that looks so good. Make it for half price. And then they make it for half price, and then like the original one gets lost.
Gets lost.
Yeah, because they're like, hey, I'll just buy the one for half price.
Right.
And then the original one, like, it goes away because you can't physically make it for half price. You already have it at that cost.
Right.
So like, oh, I want to make it for less. You can't because the other guy made it for half already.
Mm.
So then, like there was that one thing on TV before.
Yeah.
It was like the furniture strap.
Okay.
It was like a long rubber band,
Okay.
and you could put it around your arm. You could put it on the furniture.
Oh yeah.
There was a guy that made that,
Right.
and he put it on Amazon,
Right.
and then someone copied it,
Yeah.
and then they sold it for half.
Right.
He couldn't recover after that,
Ah.
cause he pushed it out,
Yeah.
and then like once they made it for half price, he
Right.
couldn't drop his price because that's how much it cost to make.
Mm.
And then once they did it for half, they're like, oh, why don't you just get the copied one?
Yeah.
And then he went under.
Under.
Yeah, because you can't. There's nothing you can do. And then you could beg to Amazon and say, oh, don't sell it, don't sell it. And they go, it's the marketplace. We don't have any control over it. That's what they're gonna say.
But it's not worth also like waiting to see if your brand takes off though. Like, how do you know if it? What if it like I only sell like 10?
Yeah.
And then I spent all that money to trademark it.
Yeah.
And then, you know what I mean? Like
Well,
unless I can get.
Unless you don't have to renew it if it doesn't take off.
Okay.
But then if it takes off, then like you're screwed because now, like someone wants to buy a whole bunch of them, and then all of a sudden there's copies, and then you go, I'm the first guy. And they're like, no, you're not. I made it. And then like they changed this to like a different, like it's
They do it
curved or
slightly
something.
different, yeah.
It's slightly different.
Right.
Or instead of in the middle, it's offset.
Right.
And then you go, oh, well, mine's in the middle. And then no one cares at that point because the other one's cheaper.
Right. Yeah.
And then
So what do you do?
that's why you have to trademark.
So you have to trademark
You
everything.
have to trademark everything.
Do you get
Why do you
this?
think they did that with, like...
This is like the pause symbol. You know, you can pause your life, kind of thing.
Yeah, you have to
And
kind
then
of...
it has like the 11, like everlasting has 11 letters in it.
You kind of have to explain it, you know?
And it's too much of an explanation, but it's like the Nike symbol, right? Just do it, swoosh.
Well,
It's like
they came out with that when the shoe came out. You have
Yeah.
to remember, the shoe was first.
the shoe was first.
The shoe was before everything else.
Right.
And then when the shoe took off, that's when they went into different branding.
So what do I gotta do? I gotta come up with my sweater first.
Nike didn't really have a story.
Huh?
Nike didn't really have a story.
They didn't have a story?
No.
Mm-hmm.
It's just, I think at the time, like, you know, a sports shoe, like, the definition of a sports shoe was Converse. Like Jack Taylor, Converse.
Right.
You have to remember, they didn't have sports shoes back then. So it's kind of like revolutionary in a sense.